Hello everyone, this is Ranjit from GCS IIR team. In this video, I am going to discuss how to start server in Rulebase Group. So here is the agenda. I will give an overview of Rulebase Group. I will show you how to start the server in a group, and I will also give a quick demo to start server in a group. So here is the overview of Rulebase Server Group. Rule-based server group provides rule-based redundancy by allowing several rule-based servers to run concurrently. Only one rule-based server is permitted to respond to queries, which is known as primary rule-based server. The other rule-based servers periodically monitor the primary server to determine if it is no longer working, so that one of them may be assumed to role as a primary. This feature basically designed to used in distributed environment where several database servers are running to cover failure situation. The database instance that the rule-based server is accessing must be absolutely robust, and it should be available all the times. Here are the commands to start servers in a group. First is rule-based server. To start rule-based server in a group, you need to use command /srsv, and with -m option you need to give rule-based server host and port. With -g option you need to give the group name. For example, you can give any name like IIR or group 1 or group 2. After the rule-based group name, you need to define a comma, and after that you need to give a rule-based connection string which points to the robust database server. With -w option, you need to define the polling frequency to monitor the primary rule-based server. And with SSA logs, you can redirect the log process. It is always good to start servers with no hub option to avoid unwanted signals to kill the process. To start the search server in a group, you need to use same command /srsv, but with -n you need to use -n option to start search server, and you need to give search server host and port with this option. With -g option, you need to give the same group you started the rule-based server, and after the comma you need to give rule-based connection string. With -w option, you can define the polling frequency, and you can define the logs to redirect the search server process logs. If you want to start the optional servers in a rule-based group, you can start them with search server. You can give -x option to start XML server, -s option to start sync server, and -h options to start HTTP server. To start connection server in a group, use command /ssscosv, and with -n option give connection server host and port, and with -h option give search server host and port. To start console server in a group, use command /ssscsv, and with -n option give a console server host and port, and also you need to pass connection server and search server host and port also with this command. Also give rule-based server group name and connection strings with /ssscsv command, and always start console server with -o option, so it will avoid starting default servers with this command. To start updcing in a group, use updcing command. With -r option give rule-based connection string, and with -g option give rule-based group name, and after comma again give the rule-based connection string. And you need to use other optionals. You can use other options to define the duty cycle and commit rate. To shut down the rule-based group, you can use rbsg down utility. It will shut down primary and secondary rule-based server. It will not shut down other servers. You need to manually kill them. Here is a quick demo to start servers in a group. Make sure you have defined all the path related with your database and IIR set in the environment. First, I am going to start rule-based server group. You can view the logs to check if server is started or not. You can see this server is started as a primary. Now I'm going to start search server in a group. So search server is also started on a group. Now I will start the servers on other node. You can view the logs to see if this server is started as secondary. So you can see this server is established as secondary rule-based server. Now I will kill rule-based server on first node, so you can see it can switch over to other node. I am killing the rule-based server process. It will switch over to other node after 60 seconds. Meanwhile, we can check the logs if it is already established as a primary. Okay, so this second node is running as primary now. So this is how you can configure servers in a group. And in the end, we would always love to hear from you. Please give your feedback on supportvideos@informatica.com. You can also log into Twitter to give your feedback. Thank you.